Welcome to the Convenient Solution. In this channel we provide IGNOU assignment solution which are also helpful in your exam preparation. If my videos are helpful to you, please like and subscribe to my channel. Question: what is the second wave feminism? Explain. Answer: second wave of feminism. The first wave of feminism proved both a boon and a bear for the women's movement. On the positive side, it united activists for a common goal and provided the movement its methodical structure. However, certain activists became complacent after achieving suffrage rights for women, seeing it as a complete liberation for women. It was only with the emergence of the second wave of feminism in the 1960s that the movement got rejuvenated, especially with the publication of Betty Friedan's The Feminist Mystique in 1963. In this book, Friedan has pointed out that women still felt frustrated, owing to their confinement to the domestic chores and roles of a mother and a housewife. Consequently, the second wave feminism posited that the women question had remained unresolved despite accomplishment of legal and political rights. With the works of Germaine Greer and Kate Millett, what was earlier concerned with political rights of women was now radicalized to include sexual, psychological and personal aspects of women's oppression. It was during the second wave that the slogan, "The personal is political," was coined by Carol Hanisch. Based on this, feminist activists saw political and cultural inequalities as closely interlinked. It was a period when personal lives of women were seen as a reflection of deeply political power structures of patriarchal society. Thus, unlike the conventional feminists, radical feminists of this period kept politics of the personal at the center of their movement. Consequently, this wave saw protests against the Miss America beauty pageant in New Jersey in the late 1960s, as it was seen akin to a cattle parade by the feminists, who saw such events as objectification of women's beauty. While the first wave of feminism was identified with heterosexual white women, mostly belonging to the Western middle class, the second wave toiled to bring together women of developing nations and of color based on the ideology of solidarity and sisterhood. Simone de Beauvoir, in her 1949 work The Second Sex, argued that the problem with feminist politics was that women do not say "we," unlike laborers or blacks, foregrounding this argument in the observation that the women's movement lacked solidarity. To tackle this problem, it was prophesied that women's struggle is a class struggle, in which women form a social class in whose case race, gender and class come together to lead to their oppression at the hands of the patriarchal class. The emergent feminist political theory was a manifestation of intersection of three sets of ideologies: liberal feminism, Marxist feminism, and its extension known as socialist feminism, and radical feminism. Besides this, during this wave, the feminists saw women having a better approach towards achieving solutions to social problems owing either to their long history of oppression or to their biological construction as more sensitive than men. Thanks for watching.